We got a brand spanking new 2023 Porsche Carrera sitting on 4Gs, baby. Thing looks sick. In my opinion, the perfect stance. I don't really love 4G auto rims, but they look fucking badass with the braided rim design. I think it looks super, super clean. You put 4G autos on a Porsche, you're just different, you know what I'm saying? Got the 2-piece, 3-piece looking wheels. This might be a 3-piece, I'm not sure. But got the deep dish in the back, little dish in the front. Looking crispy, black and white spec. You notice the key matches the calipers. It's the touches on the Porsches, you know? Let me see if there's anything interior-wise. Not all black, black on black. Oh, the sport button. It's the same color as the key. It's all about the details. You got baby Jesus. Hey. So, anyways, what are we doing on this thing? The infamous Gexhaust catback for the 911s. We got a brand new catback for this thing. We're going bolt-on kit. Customer wants to keep it under warranty. He is warranted by the dealer. So what we're gonna do, slap a catback system on there. Later on, if he keeps the car, we run downpipes, tune this baby, weight this thing up. As of right now, we're just getting some sound out of it, made it a little bit more power with the catback, and weight this Porsche up. This is what we specialize in, guys. So if you're looking for a system for a 911, Targa Top, Turbo S, GT3 RS, hit us up, we got you. Wholesale, sponsorship, pricing on everything. We got the 911 on the lift, exhaust system all done. You guys can see it, Gexhaust 992 exhaust, number 3. This is the number 3 system we've done on the 992.1s. This is a direct bolt-on. Got the stock muffler looking garbage somewhere in the back. We probably scrapped it already because the customer don't want it. He just wants to make it sound good. So how do we wake up a Porsche? Gexhaust catback with the X pipe and a titanium coating. You guys can tell it's Gexhaust because you got this plaque right here, which looks pretty damn sweet. Check it, check it, check it. Sick. So we're gonna drop it, crank it. You guys get to hear that turbo whistle out of this Porsche. Let me know what you think. If you guys are interested in a system like this, hit us up, man. We got brand new systems for all Porsches. And we're saving you guys a ton of money on these setups. So hit us up if you're interested. We got you. Porsche is done. Customer is ecstatic. He was about to buy a Porsche Sport exhaust. Then he gave us a call. We slapped the Gexhaust cap back on there. Listen to that idle, man. Now the car is awake. Now the car sounds like how a Porsche should sound from factory. You buy a 911, $150,000 Porsche. You want it to sound like a damn Porsche. The stock systems suck. We upgrade them. We're doing a lot of these 911s. Look at this car, man. 4Gs, deep dish in the back, baby dish in the front. Car looks fucking immaculate. What a spec. Got the black and white trim all the way around. This is a cabriolet. The systems do fit every 911 out there. So if you're looking for a system, you hit us up, man. You want to wake your Porsche up like this one, 954-708-6039. Gexhaust, just call Gexhaust Davie, Gexhaust Oakland Park. If you're looking for a system, hit us up.